everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make cơm gà Hải Nam or Hainanese chicken rice. It's just popular in China, Singapore and Malaysia. We in Vietnam love it too. When I first came to Singapore for college, I wasn't so impressed with the idea of eating boiled chicken with rice. And obviously, the food offered at university canteens wasn't that great. But when I graduated and moved to work, there is an amazing Hainanese chicken rice place near my workplace in Bugis, I remember. And it has totally changed my perspective on this dish. I fell in love with it ever since and always try to find it every time coming back to visit Singapore. So today I will try to replicate the recipe at home. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
For 4 servings, you will need 450 grams of normal rice mixed with 50 grams of sticky rice. We're gonna mix together and rinse well a few times and then soak in water for at least 1 hour. For chicken, we're gonna choose an average chicken of 1.5 kilogram. If you use frozen chicken, just defrost to bring it back to room temperature. Rub the chicken inside out with salt and then rinse well and pat it right. Into its cavity, we're gonna add 3 slices of ginger, 1 scallion, and 3 shallots. These items will infuse the chicken with a very nice aroma as it cooks. Next, you want to bring a large pot of water to a boil, and to that we're gonna add some salt and chicken stock. If you add the chicken directly into the boiling water, it's gonna tear the skin because of temperature shock. So just hold the chicken at the neck and ladle the hot water all over the skin first to tighten it, and then we're gonna let the chicken submerge into the hot water. Make sure that you have enough water to fully cover it. Keep the water boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes. Skim up the foam, and then we're gonna cover the lid, turn off the heat and leave it there for 45 minutes. Because most Vietnamese actually prefer chicken that is more chewy than soft. But for Hainanese chicken rice, we like the meat to be really tender and juicy, so I will keep it for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the rice. Heat a pan on medium heat and add the chicken fat to render out all the fat. And then remove the rice, and then to that we're gonna add a tablespoon each of minced garlic, shallots and ginger. Saute until fragrant, and then toss in the rice, which I have soaked for 1 hour and drained. And then toss well so the rice is really nice and fragrant. And then we're gonna transfer this to a rice cooker, and we will use the broth that we cook the chicken in to cook the rice. It will make the rice more flavorsome and shiny. So you will need about 400 ml of the broth cooked in a rice cooker with the rice as normal. Next, to make the orange sauce, which in my opinion, what makes this dish really stand out. I was really curious about what was in this sauce when I first tried it. Finally, now I know the secret. You're gonna need 10 grams of garlic, 20 grams of ginger, 2 large chilies, and 2 bird-eye chilies. You also need juice of 3 kumquats and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2/3 teaspoon of salt. Just blend everything well until smooth, and look at that color, so beautiful. Then we're gonna mix this with a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of sesame oil. It smells really great. After 45 minutes, you can test the doneness of the chicken by inserting a toothpick into the thigh, and if the water comes out runs clear, it's cooked. Just take out and immediately soak in a bowl of ice water to prevent darkening. A standard Hainanese chicken rice has no color, but it looks too plain for my taste, so I'm gonna saute some powdered turmeric with the chicken fat. And then brush this oil all over the chicken to give it a really nice yellow look. then you just chop it up and debone if you wish. In a small bowl, mix together 4 tablespoons of the broth with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir well to dissolve and drizzle this sauce all over the chicken pieces, making it extra fragrant and juicy. For cucumber, peel the seed and cut into thick slices on the diagonal. Fluff the rice and shape it in a cup and place on the plate. You also need some thick soy sauce to make it complete. And there you have it. Wow, my God, it looks so amazing. To serve, I like to drizzle that sauce over the rice. It's so fragrant and rich. And the rice itself is the star on it all. And then comes the chicken. Oh my God, it's so juicy and it comes so great with that amazing orange sauce. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. And if you give it a try, please share a photo with me on Instagram with hashtag Helen Recipes. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell button so you will be the first one to watch my new video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye!